Google BARD has recently made this one update that has made this tool so much powerful, especially if you work in marketing. So before we jump into the update of Google BARD, make sure you like and share this video so more people can see this. All right, now let's talk about the update. And also they've made several updates and I'll give you a quick rundown. So the first thing you're gonna see is when you go to bard.google.com and log into your account, you might see a message on the top to update. So click on that and it will update. So you see chat history, recent chat history, and you can also pin chats now on the top. Some of the buttons here have moved on the top. So those just like UI changes, but here's the update that got me excited, and I think you are gonna love this too. And so that's the compared to ChatGPT, I think the Google BARD has really some good stuff up their sleeves. So here, if you click on the plus icon, which is upload files, so look at this, you can upload files of JPEG, PNG, or WebP extension to Google BARD as part of your prompts. So this really makes Google BARD multimodal. So let me give you an example. Let's do this. I'm gonna upload an image. So here's an image of looks like it's a pasta, and I'm gonna ask Google BARD, can you tell me what's in this photo? So the cool thing is Google BARD will tell me exactly what's in that image. So give it a few seconds. Here you go, it's ready. The photo shows a bowl of pasta salad with chicken, broccoli, and tomatoes. That's exactly what's in this picture. So I'm able to use photos as part of my prompt, and Google BARD can read everything that's happening in there. Now, the other thing, so imagine the possibilities. If you work in marketing, let's say Instagram, you want to generate captions for different products. So just upload images and let Google BARD do the magic for you, right? That's just like one use case. Now, here's the, hold on, here is something else. So let's say I want to make this. So I'm going to say, how can I make this? Give me step-by-step instructions, right? And watch what happens. Google BARD will give me full, complete recipe with ingredients and step-by-step. Here you go. So here is the ingredients. Scroll down, here are the instructions and also some helpful tips. This is awesome. The other update kind of related, if you look here, listen. So I'm gonna play, you may not be able to hear this because I'm making this video, but I can actually hear the response now. So Google BARD will read that response to me. So if you're on the go and you're chatting with, let's say, Google BARD, or if you're busy, you don't have to read the response. You can just click on that icon and it will read it to you. So that's another update. The other update is, if you look at the bottom now, so this button right here, modify responses. So I can, let's say the response that I got, I'm not happy with it, it's too long, which happens sometimes because I want to answer quick. So what I can do is I can say, hey, make it longer, simpler, more casual, more professional, or what I use a lot is make it shorter. So when you click on this and then give it a few seconds, it will take the last response and really condense it for me. So here you go. Here is my response, and it is already condensed. And this, if you like me and you like saving time and summarizing articles or text on the web, this is going to be so much helpful, and it's free. So I think Google BARD, these updates, especially the multimodal abilities, being able to use images as your prompt, this is really going to give ChatGPT, they're going to have to, I know with ChatGPT, if you're paid on the paid plan, $20 per month, then you can do a lot of magic. Then you can use a lot of bells and whistles. But with Google BARD, it's absolutely free. Let me know what you think of this update of the being able to use images as part of the prompts. And if you have any questions, leave those below in the comment. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this. And now let's watch this next video together.